Here we have the Samsung washing machine. To operate with it, make sure the wall switch is on. Then press the on and off button. You can load your clothes in the tumbler here and then close the door. On this drawer, you can load the pre-washing detergent here, normal detergent here, and the softener in the middle. You can then select your preferred program by rotating this knob, and you can change the temperature and the spinning by pressing one of these. Once you're done, you can press the play or pause button. To turn it off, press the on and off button again.